Warning! This video contains sailor-esque cursing, mild stupidity, reckless behavior, and a complete lack of safety and proper education. Viewer discretion is advised. Do not attempt to recreate in any way, shape, or form. Enjoy!
Alright, y'all. Welcome back to the shit show. Unless it's your first time, in which case, welcome. We got $300 motor here. And you can see, got the lifters out. Got all this other shit off last video. Lifters ain't too much to talk about, to tell you the truth. So we're gonna come over here, exhaust intake, and put them in their little homes for the time being anyway. This thing just died on me? Nope, it's still flashing. We're good. We got like half our video left. It just screamed at me, so bear with me here. Might have done one or two of those backwards, but luckily I have a video to prove that I did. So we're good there. Yeah, we're gonna flip this thing over, get the pan off, get the Harmo off, check everything out really good, and see what we can't get going here. I am extremely surprised how well all of this is coming apart, to tell you the truth. With how gross, nasty this fucking engine looks, I am very well and good surprised. Come on. How many threads do you need to hold a fucking dipstick tube on? What the hell? To be fair, I do make a lot of blow-by, so it needs to hold in there pretty damn good. But I think this is a little fucking ridiculous. Oh my god. Was there like an inch of fucking thread? What the hell? Nope, still, holy fuck. Are you fucking... Oh, no, I'm just stupid. We're good. This is actually a good dipstick tube. This can go in the keeper pile. Alright, now let's flip her over. See what we're working with. Tong. This is probably going to go pretty piss poorly, but hey, whatever. Actually, probably not, because there's really not that much weight anymore. Piss on the floor. Do the Rick dance. Okay, we are really pissing on the floor. Fuck. Oh, oil pan. This thing still had a lot of fucking coolant in it for some goddamn reason. At least I know right where to put it. Right about there. Just follow the coolant stain. It'll be fine. Show yourself. There you go. Ow. Ah, it's leaking. Run, little coolant trail, run! Go to the garbage heap. It'll dry it up. Alright, and I think we're just gonna... Ah! More coolant. Plug this one. This could not have gone any worse. Well, actually, it could have. Alright, now after making a massive mess, we're upside down. Horribly financially. And so is the engine. Anyway, where's that really extendo bit? There it is. These all should be half. You fucking bitch. Or 7/16. There we go. Alright, which one is it? It's the half or do. Half or do, half or don't, with or without the... I am continually being surprised. Oh, that's right. These corners are halves, and the rest are 7/16. That's right, all the side rails are 7/16. But the corners, for some reason, Ford was like, they need that extra 16th. Well, then again, I could use an extra 16th, but that would triple my length, so we're just going to build another lifted vehicle in the time being. And BREP. Curse. Ooh, crunchy. It's a good thing I pulled it off of that oil dry. Now I can put more oil dry down. I'm also going to track it around with the air hose. Keep it exciting. Bye, Bolt. Keep it cool. Coolant. Ow. Yep, that's free now. Where that other one ran off under here, I think. Yep, there it is. Cool footprints. Alright. Come on. There you go. Bucket, bucket. Take the oil pan off. What do we see? A pretty clean sub-assembly. Yeah. Grody. Hey, new oil pan for the truck, because mine leaks horribly, and this one is fucking mint. Neat. Drain plug. It's over here. You are definitely going on the pile, not the scrap pile. You are going on the good stuff pile. You're going over here. That pile. That's a damn good oil pan. Sorry, this camera thing hurts my forehead. I really got a 5 or 6 head, but that's besides the point. Maybe an 8 head, 8-track player. I need a 15/16. That's a 7/8. Do I even have a 15/16 that big? That big. Duh. 3/8 drive? I know I gotta have one in this. That's one. 7/8. Nope. That is one. That's one. That's one of 16. Yeah. What is this? 7/8. I know I had one. It was on my ultra calibrated torque wrench. Wherever that went. Where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. Ultra calibrated torque wrench. We're just gonna pop this off real right quick. Should already be loose, so I should just be able to. Ooh, danger sauce. Punch myself in the fucking face. bolt. It's gonna go in the Harmo puller. I forgot to return this to AutoZone like 3 years ago, so it's mine now. Gotta love it. Should be these ones. Nope, those are fine threads. It's the coarse threaders. These ones? Nope, too small. Story of my life. These ones. Yes. And these gotta go across. You rat fucking bastard. Come on, bottom out already. There you go. Like this. And we're gonna send this home. What is that, 19 or 17? It's a size. Let's see, what is that? That's 17, so that's a 19. I don't think I grabbed me one of them. Fuck. There's so much garbage on the floor. Gorbachev. Wow, that Harmo's wasted. I feel like this was a Bone Factory motor in like a 140,000 truck. That's the vibe I'm getting from it. There we go. And we're gonna grab the fucking impact because I'm one lazy son of a bitch. So, Tree Karcher 19. What is that? That's an 18. What's this? That's also an 18. Legal, but no, not what I'm looking for. What's this? That's a 1360. Fucker. I needed that in the last video, asshole. That's 17. That's 16. That's 16. Where are you? 19. There we go. Yeah, we'll take whatever. What is this? That's a 30. God damn it, another one. Fuck me sideways. I was gonna be so fucking pissed if it was a 13/16s. Alright, forwards. Yay! Takes almost all of it. God, it's a lot of oil. Something tells me it might add a front main leak there. It's fine. I'm rebuilding it anyway. Remove the belt pulley from Harmo balancer if possible. What the fuck do you mean? Do they make ones where it's all attached? Do not use impact wrench. Well, it's a good thing I used an impact gun, not a wrench, so we're good there. Yeah, don't use an impact wrench. Well, they're impact guns, so fuck yourself. Bing bong. If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know I'm going hard. Fuck your life. Bing bong. Yay. Alright. Calibration stick. Not that one. Yeah, that one. Alright, so we're going to torque this front cover to that's about 18 foot-pounds. Here's what I'm looking for. I got all the bolts out, right? I'm not just bending the piss out of it. Oh, it's the fucking dowels that are fucking me up there. There we go. Another good piece. Put that on the good piece pile. I got like 3 of these. Other one's up there. That's where we put this one. Clean it, prep it, paint it, send it. Oh yeah, this is all factory. Oh my god, look at that slop. Ooh! Ooh, that's spicy. That's why it didn't want to turn. Let me find my flashlight. There it is. Yeah, you see the Ford stamp there. You can see just how fucking slop this bitch is. And right there, see that? That is a reason to scrap a motor. Also, that's how the fuel pump works. This spins, lubrication, doobly-doos, yay. But yeah, I have no doubts this thing was fucking... Yeah. Amazingly enough, there's no wear marks. Oh, I lied. There's the wear mark, right there. See that? I hope so.
Well, that video got rudely interrupted, but camera died, can't control that. We did find a crack right there, so we're gonna pull this off. Probably gonna spin it, check timing, but we'll do that in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, what the hell do I say in these? Ooh, I know, I'll pull it up, hang on.
Outside of that, keep it mint and full sends only, bud.
Yeah, well, that's what I used to say. Well, fuck that. But I do kind of like it. Keep it fucking mint. Full fucking sends only. And see you later, fuckers.